Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more party decorations videos. We will have new videos uploaded every week. Today will be great for all you dinosaur fans. If you're looking for some dinosaur themed party ideas, this is a great video. And if you have an accent wall, I have some great decoration ideas to show you. So stay tuned. So I'm at the Dollar Tree and they have some great things that you can find for a dinosaur birthday party. These are table decorations if you want centerpieces. They have giant dinosaur cutouts. They have a couple different colors. They had this blue one, and then as you see they had a purple one as well. And then they also have supplies like plates and napkins, so make sure you always check out your Dollar Tree. Let's go! Okay friends, here are the decorations I use for the dinosaur theme. These are balloons, some more dinosaur balloons. Also, these are like jungle leaves. I use a dinosaur backdrop. This is a dinosaur happy birthday banner that we get to have fun putting together. And these are fans. And then also here are some balloons that I used from some other balloons that I had. I just added them, that goes with the theme. And these are RAWR letter balloons. Okay, so this is the dinosaur banner. So with this dinosaur happy birthday, it's like a puzzle. So I'm taking all the pieces to the banner and I'm putting them in order first to make it easier when I string the banner. And so when I string the banner, if you can see, it's like a little pointy needle, and this actually comes with the banner. And what I'm doing here is thread it through each of the holes in the banner little by little until I create the happy birthday sign. It's pretty cool because once it gets all together, it looks really neat. Okay friends, now let's blow up some balloons. Okay, and when you're blowing up a balloon and using the balloon pump, I like to use a straw, and usually the straw does come with the balloons to insert to break the seal that's in there to make it easier for them to blow up. And then just press the bottom of the balloon after you blow it up to seal it up. Now let's put it all together. So right here, I'm just putting up the backdrop and I'm just using tape to hold it up. Sorry about that, I don't know what that is on my arm. Okay, so next what I'm doing is I'm about to put up the letter balloons. So I'm just using tape, like packing tape, and just folding it over to make it double-sided and sticking it to the back of the balloons. Now I'm taking the caution tape that I bought from the Dollar Tree and I'm just taping it to the bottom and the top of the backdrop just to add some more fun decor to it. Okay friends, so here I'm trying to see where I want to hang the Dinosaur Happy Birthday banner, and I'm trying different things. I'm just trying to put it on the wall and then I just don't like what I see. So it's okay to move decorations around until you're content. So after trying this and not liking it, I simply just take it down and come back to it later until I find the perfect spot for it. So now I'm going to create a balloon collage. I'm simply taking a piece of tape, taping it to the balloon, and then taping it on the wall. I'm going to pretty much line it up and then make like a little mini design out of it. And to me, this is a good replacement for a balloon garland. If you want a quick replacement for it and you don't want to have to do all of that work, this turns out really great. So I just moved the banner and I'm putting it over the balloons, and this looks so much better. Right here to hang the fans, I'm using double-sided tape. If you have paper clips, you can use that to hold the fan closed. Also, if you do not plan to reuse the fan, you can also just use the adhesive strips that are already on the fan. And then right here I'm taking a tack and I'm attaching it to the string of the fan and then just attaching it to the wall. And after I used a few more balloons, I'm using jungle leaves and just going back to add those to the top where I did the balloon collage, just to give it that extra jungle feel. And I'm using glue dots to put the leaves up. Okay friends, here we are, the final results for the Dinosaur Birthday Party decorations. first giveaway of the channel. Thank you so much for your support. You have a chance to win some dinosaur decorations if you are interested. We have some dinosaur caution tape. We also have some dinosaur balloons to help you get started on your dinosaur party decorations. And we have the dinosaur backdrop from the video. If you are interested, like, subscribe, comment, hashtag dinosaur giveaway to enter, and make sure you check back next week to see if you are a winner. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit subscribe for more decoration videos. I'll see you next week and have a royal day.